Hello, this video is for people that are trying to restore their WhatsApp backups, and for some reasons it has been getting stuck at different numbers. So personally, mine has been getting stuck at 70%, and I've got messages of 5 years backed up, and I can't afford to lose it. So the backup can be restored with all your medias intact. I'm going to be showing the steps. So the first thing you need to do is to have your backup.
The backup on your Google Drive turned off. So you go to your Google Drive and then you go to your, because I have already deleted the backup on my Google Drive. You can't see it here. You can only see the backup of my phone. So if you have the backup on Google Drive, you'll have seen it as one of these, and then you can just you can basically turn it off or delete it. The next step is then to have the backup
Folder. So you have to have the backup files itself. So now you can see I have a USB storage here. I moved the backup file from my previous phone to this one using the storage, and I've moved it into my internal storage. So the backup is currently saved at this place, codes. So how can you find this? In your previous phone, you go to Android, then you go to media, and then in the media you will see a folder com.whatsapp. It's not here because this is a new phone where I'm trying to move the backup. So you will see a folder named com.whatsapp, just like this one and this one, and inside that folder, okay, so this one, and inside that folder you will see WhatsApp, and then you will see databases and media. So this is what you do. You move this folder, this com.whatsapp folder, into your new phone. So this restoring process is a local backup restore process, because personally I've tried to transfer my chat using the transfer chat option that is on the on WhatsApp now, but it was getting stuck at 97% on this phone. And then I tried using Google Backup. Google Backup was getting stuck at 99%. And then I have tried the local backup. So after a lot of time, I figured out how to use the local backup. So I'm going to be using the local backup. So the local backup is easy. You have the backup stored in your previous phone. Just move it into the new phone. That's all. Okay, so let's get started. So what you need is to download the WhatsApp app on your new phone, and then after that you so you open the WhatsApp app, then you set it up. Now the first thing you need to do is, so this is my number that I'm trying to use. So what you need to do is first go to WhatsApp, and
now you give WhatsApp all the permissions. You give it all permissions to video, audio, and everything. And we are doing this because we are going to be doing some stuff manually, and we want the permissions to be already there while we are doing those stuffs. So basically that's all you need to do. Then
we go back into the WhatsApp, enter your phone number, and then now, because I still have my WhatsApp on the previous phone, I just got a code to log in. So now I'm in. So now got my two-step verification. So now what you do here is
you turn off your Wi-Fi or your cellular network, and then you will navigate to your file manager.
And then you come to your file. So this is the important part. You come to your file, you come to Android, then you go to media, and then in this media you can see that there is a new com.whatsapp folder now there because of the new WhatsApp I've installed. And you go inside of it, you go to WhatsApp and you go to media. Now this is the new one. So what you need to do is to you can just create a folder called databases. Inside the database, so you create a databases folder, and then you come to your where you backed up the where you put the the old com.whatsapp folder. So this is it. I go into my databases. Now I have different message database, but I'm going to take this one. So this is the newest one. These are older ones, and so if you want to restore a certain one, you can just rename it. You can rename this and just make it in the form of mgstore.db.crypt15. So this is what you need. This is what you are taking. This is my latest backup. So I will move this into my database folder, the one that is now in Android, in media, and in the new com.whatsapp. So now I'm just moving it here. So move here. That's done. Now, after moving, I come back to verify is there. Media, com.whatsapp, WhatsApp, databases. Okay, so we are good. So what I need to do is come back here. You see, it's looking for backup, taking longer than expected. So you turn on your network back. So you turn your network back on, and then it's going to do this for a bit. Yeah, so now it's got your chart. So now you press restore, and then you put your password. So you put your decryption password if you have one, and it's gonna start restoring your charts.
So now note that we only copied the message database, which is the DB crypt. So we didn't copy any of the media because I'm sure anybody watching this video has tried to use the media files and the message database, and when it got stopped, they found out that they couldn't get anything. So what we are doing here is we want to restore only the charts. So we are restoring the chart first, then after that we will manually restore the media files. So now mine always gets stocked at 70%. So this is going to get stocked at 70%, and then it's going to tell me that unfortunately it's unable to back up my charts. So 0 messages found. That's what it's going to tell me. So if you know where yours gets stocked, so for example, if it gets stocked at 20%, at 50%, at 90%, note that point down, and then you will restart your phone. So you will go to the home page when it gets to that point, and then you will restart your phone. So
I've restarted my phone, and I'm just going to go into WhatsApp now. So now when you go into WhatsApp, it should have backed up only your chat. So into WhatsApp again. So this is going to back up only your chats. Then we are going to how you will be able to also this is going to restore only your chats. Then we are going to go about how we can also restore the media. So initializing. Okay, so now these are my charts. My charts have been backed up. So if I go back here, you see, so these are my charts backed up. Now the problem is I don't have my voice notes. I don't have any of my media. You see, there is no media. So now I want to back up my media also. You see, there is no media, there is no document, nothing. So now what I will do now is, because in my backup folder, the other time I told you to only move the so I told you to only copy the database and only copy the mgstore.dbcrypt database file. So now what we need to do is we also want to restore our media. So for example, now personally I have WhatsApp images, I have WhatsApp videos. My WhatsApp video is up to like 9 gig. My images are like 5 gig, and I want to back up everything. I have my sticker packs. I want to back up all my sticker and everything. So what I need to do now is, so first thing is you need to close WhatsApp. You need to make sure it's not open in the background or anything, and then you come to where you have those media files. So now you go to your WhatsApp, the one you have currently. You go to the com.whatsapp, the WhatsApp file, then you have the media. Now you've got WhatsApp images here. So this is the new WhatsApp that I just got. So what you do is you will delete this. You will delete this folder. Then you will go to the one that you will go to the one that you've got backed up. Okay, so this is my old media WhatsApp images, which is 332,000 items. So I'm going to move this folder into my media folder. So going here, I'm going into media, and then WhatsApp images, I'm going to move it here. Okay, so just going to wait till it's moved. So make sure the WhatsApp is not open in background, or it's going to create a new WhatsApp image folder before you are able to move it. So you do what I just did, get your previous WhatsApp images folder and move it inside here. So because it's a lot of file, it's taking some time to move. Okay, so now move complete. So now if you go here, you see, so now inside my new WhatsApp folder, I've got my media and I've got the WhatsApp images. So I've moved it now. I've got all my 32,000 images inside here. So after you've moved your images, you come back into WhatsApp. So I'm still going to this group, and then now you can see that I've got all my images back. So these are my images which were not there earlier. So you can also use this to restore. So you can follow this same step and restore your videos and your WhatsApp stickers and every other thing. So now you can see a video. You can see, yeah, so these are my videos. And now, yeah, so my voice note, as you can see, I've moved the video and voice notes, and I can now the police now cannot play the voice notes. Right, so I hope you guys got the gist. So that's how to do it. You can solve the problem of getting your backup stocked at some place by just doing this local backup, following these steps. And if you have any questions, you can just put it in the comment section, and I guess someone will help. Thank you. Bye.